I'm Sarah with Blinds.com, and I'm here to make sure you have everything you need to know before you decide on vertical sheer shades for your home. What are vertical sheer shades? Vertical sheer shades are a stylish window treatment that gives a touch of soft elegance without compromising views outdoors. They're made of fabric-covered vanes seamlessly integrated into the surrounding sheer fabric, providing a soft, translucent glow to complement any room. How do you clean vertical sheer shades? The polyester fabric blends allow for machine washing on gentle cycle and cold water. Make sure you remove the shades immediately after the spin cycle and reinstall while slightly damp. You should never put the sheer fabric in the dryer. If they're wrinkled, it's okay to steam them. Can you put curtains over vertical sheer shades? For added style and texture, you can install curtains over your vertical sheer shades. When mounted outside your window, your curtains can accent your vertical sheer shades and add extra layers of privacy and insulation for the perfect customized look. What are dual sheer shades? Dual sheer shades are made from one piece of fabric with alternating translucent and light filtering or room darkening material stripes. These shades offer a modern look with exceptional light control. If you're still trying to make a decision, click the link in the description to visit Blinds.com and explore your options. You can even order free samples to make sure you get exactly what you want.